Hey, welcome to the channel. And if you made it this far into my channel page, I'm guessing you haven't quite yet figured out what my channel is all about, which is why you're watching this particular trailer right now. And, well, I'm going to explain that in a minute. But for now, this is Not.So.Burundian here. Stay tuned. Right, so here's the thing. Initially, I wanted this channel to be about me showcasing Burundi to the world. And by that, I mean, well, it's simple. I just basically wanted to sell Burundi to a potential customer. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, it just basically means that, if you are a tourist, if you are a visitor that's planning to come to Burundi temporarily or permanently or stay for a given amount of time, well, I wanted the channel to introduce to you what Burundi is all about. Stuff like dining in Burundi, traveling in Burundi, housing in Burundi, and so on and so forth. I'll figure it out in due time. But here's the thing. I want you to subscribe to the channel right now, even though all of my content at the moment has nothing to do with Burundi just yet, in a sense that there is no content about Burundi right now. And I have a valid reason for that. And that's basically because I'm not in Burundi, but I will be in about a week or two, maximum 2 weeks and no more. As soon as I land, I will begin to give you Burundian content straight up. But for the moment, just enjoy the sort of videos that I'm making. I have 2 playlists on the channel right now. One is named India, where I talk about India and my experiences in India because, watch these 2 videos up here. You'll understand the rest. And the second playlist is me basically named From Me to You, is a playlist where I share my thoughts and experiences on a couple of gadgets that I use, or you never know what I come across and I feel like I have learned something from it that is good enough, or it happens to be information that I think that somebody out there could find useful. And so I put it out there and it's on that playlist. And if you want to watch that video, click on this link up here. You'll find the video. And yeah, that's just basically all that the channel is about. Subscribe, having in mind that the upcoming content in a very near future will be about Burundi. But for now, I thank everybody that's already subscribed, and to those of you that haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, enjoy the content that I'm making right now, and to the content that is upcoming, well, just stay tuned. This is Not.So.Burundian here. I'm out.